Welcome to a new GIBIDI product tutorial. Today we will learn how to use the SL544 operator wizard setup, equipped with the SC24 digital control unit with graphic screen. Among the main features of the SL544, in addition to the wizard setup, we have an integrated clock with lithium battery, integrated timers, event logs, built-in radio receiver, programmable safety inputs, logic management, and many other advanced functions. To demonstrate how to program the unit, we will assume that the operator has already been installed both mechanically and electrically. Now, let's go to the programming phase using the wizard setup. After switching on the power, press the OK and exit keys simultaneously to enter the various menus. The C24 control unit will ask you to choose and confirm the interface language. In our case, we select English, confirm, and move on. Now let's go directly to the wizard setup. The first question we are asked concerns the presence of magnetic limit switches, which are mandatory. We are then asked to place the gate at half travel. You can do it manually after unlocking the operator, or by using the up and down keys in Deadman logic mode. In this phase, the display reminds us to clear the area from obstacles for safety reasons. Check that the operator is locked. If the photocells are not installed, as in this case, say no and the system will exclude them. If the safety edge is not present, the system will exclude it, or, if connected, it will be automatically recognized if it is NC or AK2. The same occurs for the stop input, which can also be programmed as a second safety edge input. The system will now carry out a direction test. The door will move for a few centimeters, and we will be asked to confirm if the gate has opened. Answer yes or no according to what you see. Now, the real travel learning phase and the anti-crash threshold learnings begins. The first phase requires that the gate closes at reduced speed, looking for the close limit switch. If you have wrongly positioned the limit switches on the rack, they open in the place of close and vice versa, the system will know this thanks to the previous direction test, and you will not have to do anything. Once the closing limit switch is found, which always takes place at reduced speed, it will search for the opening limit switch. Once it reaches the opening, it will learn the closing travel. At this point, a fast phase begins, with final slowdowns to allow the system to learn the necessary thrust and anti-crashing sensitivity. This will happen automatically for both opening and closing. At the end of the cycle, learning is complete, and you can now use the system in complete safety, or perform other logic programming, timer adjustment, or other functions. Your gate is successfully programmed. As you can see, with the new graphic display technology and the wizard setup procedure, programming your GIBIDI gate has never been easier. This has been a Creative Automations tutorial by GIBIDI. Thank you for watching.